Hello students, welcome to the My Dream, the India's first ever e-learning educational platform, where each and every topic will be taught by the concept of what, why and how. So guys, now we are moving towards the next chapter, whose name is Heron's Formula. So guys, this is a new chapter for all of the students who are pursuing in class 9. And name itself says here we will discuss a formula, and a word heroes means it is given by the mathematician heroes. So now why we are discussing this chapter? So again we are follows our dream. The my dream follows a specific rule, which is what, why and how. Now what is the heroes formula? So guys, this is basically a formula which is used to calculate the area of the triangle. It is simply a formula. What is the formula? We will discuss in this chapter. Now, why we discuss Heron's formula? So guys, sometimes it is difficult to measure the area of a triangle. So in this situation, we directly use the Heron's formula to calculate area of the triangle. And quadrilateral is a combination of two triangles, square is a combination of two triangles, and many more type of geometry is the combination of triangles, where we directly use these formulas to calculate area. Sometimes with the help of area we can calculate the dimension like height and the base of the triangle also. Now this Heron's formula is a smart technique to find area, and this smart technique based on Heron's formula, which we'll discuss in this chapter. Now how we will discuss Heron's formula? So guys, Heron's formula, first of all we basically define the formula. After that we will define its application, where we use the Heron's formula. So now guys, we are moving towards the definition part. What is Heron's formula? Moving towards Heron's formula, first of all we are discussing some geometry, because in this chapter some special geometries are discussed, in which the first geometry is triangle. And you all know about the triangle. Triangle is a enclosed geometry made by three line segment A, B and C. Now there are some points regarding triangle. First point, there are three sides, small a, small b and small c. So first of all, small a is what? The opposite side of vertex A. Small b is what? The opposite side of vertex B. And small c is what? The opposite side of vertex C. These are the length of the sides. Now what are the formulas regarding triangle? So guys, we all know that first formula, which is perimeter. Perimeter is sum of the sides, which becomes A plus B plus C, and semi-perimeter becomes S, which is A plus B plus C by 2. So this is first basic formula regarding triangle. Now the second formula, which you all know, that is area of triangle. You all know the area of triangle is half into base into height. Now the question arises here, what do you mean by the base? What do you mean by the height? So guys, we are discussing from the basic level to the higher level. Now, what do you mean by the base? Simply the base itself says the foundation of any type of geometry. Now in triangle, what is the base? Generally students says the base is side BC. Yes, it is correct, but it is not fully correct because the base of triangles are any of the side. It may be AB, it may be BC, and it may be AC. All three sides can be taken as a base. Now, what do you mean by height? If I stand up here and I ask you what is my height, what will you measure? You measure the length of this. In mathematics, this is the length of perpendicular because I am standing perpendicular to the floor. So this becomes the height of mine. So now here the height means what? So guys, first of all, height depends on the base taken by you. If you taken BC as a base, then height becomes the perpendicular drop from vertex A to BC. Now we understand it. If BC is taken as base, then it becomes the height. It means if we draw a perpendicular AM, then it becomes height. If we take an AC as a base, then ABN becomes the height, and if we take an AC as a base, then CO becomes the perpendicular. So now area of triangle can be written as half BC into AM, half AC into BN, half AB into CO. So there are three varieties. It means three basic standard. If we take an BC as a base, we get AM as a height. If we take AC as a base, we get BN as a height. And if we take AB as a base, we taken CO as a height. So these are the basic formula which already discussed in previous classes. Now what new things will be discussed in this chapter? So first of all, we all know perimeter of triangle, we all know semi-perimeter of the triangle, and we all know area of the triangle. Now the second geometry which is used in this chapter, which is quadrilateral. And quadrilateral is enclosed geometry made by 4-line segment. This is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Now quadrilateral is what? We can say that if we made any diagonal, suppose that we made a diagonal AC, what we get? We get two triangles. First triangle ABC, second triangle ACD. So we can say that to find the area of the quadrilateral, we can use the concept of area of the triangle. And many more combinations are discussed in this chapter. Now, we are going towards the definition part, the formula part of the area of the triangle, which is known as Heron's formula. So, now we are moving towards Heron's formula. Heron's formula. So mathematician Heron says that if you find area of any triangle having sides A, B and C, again we are repeating, if sides of any triangles are given, any triangle are given, means small a, small b and small c are given in the question, and you are finding the area. In this formula, you require one side and respective height. But in Heron's formula, you may know about the sides of the triangle. Suppose that small a, small b and small c are given in the question. Now, using Heron's formula, you can easily calculate the area. Now, how you calculate the area? By the formula. And the formula is delta is equal to, where delta is what? Yes, area of triangle. Root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula of area of the triangle. Now the question arises here, what do you mean by the S? You already discussed it. S is semi-perimeter of the triangle, where S becomes A plus B plus C by 2. Semi-perimeter of triangle. So now you all know about area of triangle by using Heron's formula. So here we describe two formulas for the area of the triangle. First formula is half base into height. Second formula is root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now, we are moving towards the examples based on these formula. Some remarks kept in your mind. The remark number 1. If all the three sides are given and you want to measure area, you can use Heron's formula. Second point, if you know all the three sides of the triangle and you want the altitudes drop from the vertex, so first of all you use Heron's formula to find its area. Then after you will use the basic formula of area, which is half base into height. Base is already given in the question. Area is calculated by you. Then you use half base into height. Base you know, area you know, you can calculate easily height, which is altitude. So this is the application point of the Heron's formula. You can calculate all the altitudes of any triangle if the sides are given. So this is a application. Now if you want area of combination of the triangles, you basically connect by a line, connected it as a triangle. You have to make some or more triangles, and then after you can easily find the areas. Suppose that you have to find this area and you all know the sides, so you have to make this 1, 2 and 3. So this is a combination of 3 triangles. So individually you can calculate the area. After that you can add all the 3 areas, you get the area of whole geometry. So now we will discuss the theory part of this chapter. In this chapter the main formula is this, and the variety of question will be discussed now. So guys, area of triangle is half base into height as well as root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Yes, you got my point. Now we are finding some areas using Heron's formula. So, Heron's formula, example number first. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. So now in this question all the three sides are given and we want to find its area. So simply we can write given sides of triangle which is equal to 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter. Let A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 15 centimeter and C is equal to 17 centimeter. First of all, you have to find semi-perimeter of the triangle. Now, semi-perimeter, which is noted by small s, and small s becomes A plus B plus C by 2, which is equal to 8 plus 15 plus 17 by 2. Now it becomes what? It becomes 30 by 2, which is 15. Sorry, 32, 40 by 2, which is 20. So S becomes 20 using Heron's formula. Area of triangle delta is equal to root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and we get root under 20 into 20 minus A is what? 8. 20 minus 15, 20 minus 17, you get 20 into 12 into 5 into 3. Now we can solve by factorization. 20 can be written as 2 square into 5. 12 can be written as 2 square into 3. 5 can be written as 5 and 3 can be written as 3. And the further calculation point of view, if in root any number of square present, then we can take the number without square from the root. It means if 2 square is written in the root, it means we can say that it is equal to 2, because root means power half and power half will be cancelled out. It becomes 2 raised to power 1. So here we get 2 square as a 2. 5 into 5 square means after removing root we get 5. 2 square becomes 2. 3 into 3, 3 square becomes 3. So it becomes 60. So hence the area of triangle, hence area of triangle becomes 60 centimeter square, because the unit of the area is square and all the sides are in centimeter. It means area will be in centimeter square. So this is the basic concept where you can use the Heron's formula. Now, what can be used here? So guys, this is the concept of the Heron's formula. Now we are moving towards some note. Further moving towards the note, if you want the altitude with respect to 8 centimeter side, if you want altitude with respect to sorry, 8 centimeter. Then you simply use area of the triangle, which is half base into height. So half base becomes 8 into height becomes h. You can write it h. And this area is equal to what? 60 centimeter square. So h become 60 by 4, 15. So if you make a triangle which is 8 centimeter, 15 and 17, then this perpendicular distance is what? This is 15. So guys, this is the calculation point of view. Again, we have to check this is 15 or not. Half into 8 into height, which is equal to 60. So here we get 60 by 4, that is 15, and we get the height of the triangle, which is equal to 15. So this is the concept where we used to find the altitude, the height of any triangle. Now we are using some basic examples to understand this formula, and after that we will move towards some application part. So guys, in the next example, first of all you have to note down the given quantities. After that you will move towards calculation part. Moving towards the next example, we are know about the types of triangle. One is scalene, second is isosceles, and third is equilateral. A not equal to B not equal to C, any of them are equal, all are equal. So this is the special type of triangle. One is right angle triangle. Perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. So these type of triangle you already discussed in the chapter triangle. Now there are some special case of the areas of these triangles. What are the areas? This is simple. Delta is equal to root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. You can write ab is equal to a. So the area becomes delta is equal to root under s into s minus a into s minus a into s minus c. S minus a into s minus a become s minus a whole square, which is s minus a, and root under s into s minus c. Now what is the value of s? S become a plus c by 2, which is a plus c by 2. Now we get s minus a is equal to c by 2, s minus c is equal to a minus c by 2. So we get delta is equal to s minus a is what? C by 2, root under s a minus s is a plus c by 2 into a minus c by 2, a square minus c square by 4, which becomes c by 4 root under 4a square minus c square. So this is the area of the triangle where c is unequal side and a is length of two equal sides. Now equilateral triangle becomes s becomes 3a upon 3, which is a, hence delta becomes root under a into a plus b plus c by 2, sorry, 3a by 2. So here we get 3a by 2 minus a by 2, a by 2 and a by 2. It becomes what? So it becomes 2 into 2 into 2 becomes 1 by 4, root 3 into a square. So it becomes root 3 by 4 a square, which is the standard formulas of the area of equilateral triangle. And here you can use root under s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, and you can directly use half a into b. If b is the base, then a is its perpendicular. So these are the special case where you can calculate areas using these formula. But here we can use the area of the triangle by Heron's formula. So now we are moving towards the next example. The next example is two sides of a triangle. Given situation is A is equal to 7 centimeter, B is equal to 8 centimeter, and perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter, and we have to find area. So this is the given situation. Now how can we calculate this situation? So guys, to find the area of triangle, we know about the all the three sides, but here some situation will different. Two sides are given and perimeter is given. So we know that perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. It means 24 is equal to 7 plus 8 plus C. So here we get C is equal to 24 minus 7 plus 8, 15, means 24 minus 15, which is 9. Hence A becomes 7, B becomes 8, and C becomes 9, and smallest semi perimeter, which becomes perimeter by 2, 24 by 2, which is 12. Now delta is directly calculated by Heron's formula. 12 into 12 minus 7 into 12 minus 8 into 12 minus 9. What we get? We get 12 into 5 into 4 into 3. If we break it, we get 2 square into 3, 5 into 2 square into 3. 2 square becomes 2 into 2, 3 into 3 becomes 3, and a single 5 is present in root, so here we cannot take it outside. So here we get 12 root 5 centimeter square. So this is the calculation point of view where the third size is indirectly given. So now guys, in this lecture we will derive the formulas of the area of triangle, the simple formula and the Heron's formula. So now in the next lecture we discuss some example and its application. So keep learning and keep watching the My Dream. Your friend and your mathematics mentor Girish Kumar Jain is now signing off until we meet again. Bye bye, take care, thank you.